Hello, and welcome to Environmental Express Tech Tips. My name is Allison, and today we will be reviewing the StepSaver for the extraction of oil and grease following EPA Method 1664. The Environmental Express StepSaver serves as a means to remove hexane extractable material from a sample using the solid phase extraction method. The StepSaver requires only 20 to 40 mils of solvent, produces no emulsions, and takes 30 minutes to extract the sample. This means increased productivity, reduced labor, and limited assembly and disassembly of glassware. The StepSaver manifolds come in PVC or stainless steel and utilize glass reservoirs or disposable funnels that already come with the Environmental Express Ultraflow extraction disc. Let's assemble the StepSaver. If using the 47mm diameter extraction head with the glass funnels, take the orange sealing gasket and place it on top of the top flange of the extraction head. Then, take the stainless steel support screen and place it into the cup. You'll then want to take a filter and place it inside the cup as well, pre-filter side up. If you're using the 90mm diameter extraction head with the glass funnels, you will not use the stainless steel support screen, only the orange sealing gaskets. If using the 47mm diameter extraction head with the disposable funnels, you will not use a stainless steel support screen, only an orange sealing gasket, and you'll place the orange sealing gasket at the bottom of the ultraflow funnel. Clamp the funnel onto the head with an aluminum clamp. Care should be taken that only the fingers of the clamp touch the funnel. If the rear portion of the clamp touches the funnel, leakage could occur. At this point, go ahead and set up your manifold to a water trap and a vacuum source. Your vacuum source should be able to pull 25 inches of mercury with good airflow. A good flow rate is essential to properly performing an extraction. You then need to take a sodium sulfate drying cartridge and attach it to the collection side of the extraction head. You're then going to want to take a pre-weighed collection flask and place that over the drying cartridge. Attach the collection flask to the extraction head using a Keck clip. Turn the StepSaver stopcock to the closed position. Then add 10 to 15 mils of methanol to the reservoir. You're going to allow the methanol to soak the filter for 1 minute. Then turn the StepSaver stopcock towards the waste side of the extraction head, allowing the methanol to filter through the extraction disc. It's important that you don't collect any methanol in your collection flask. This could potentially change the chemistry of your analysis and void your results. As you're filtering the methanol through the extraction disc, add your DI water. It's important that you never let your extraction disc go dry. Ensure that the methanol has completely filtered through the extraction disc and has been replaced with the DI water. It's now time to filter your sample. After sample filtration is complete, vacuum to air dry the filter for approximately 10 minutes. Turn the StepSaver stopcock to the closed position. Add 10 to 15 mils of hexane to your sample container, rinsing the sides. Shake the hexane around the container, venting the cap occasionally. You're then going to want to take the hexane from your sample container and pour it into your funnel. Allow the hexane to soak the filter for 2 minutes. Then, turn the StepSaver stopcock towards the collection side of the extraction head, allowing the hexane to pass through the extraction disc, through the sodium sulfate drying cartridge, and into the collection flask. It's important that you let the hexane pass slowly through the drying cartridge to allow adequate contact time for water absorption. After all the hexane has passed into the collection flask, turn the stopcock to close. Rinse the sides of the funnel with about 10 to 25 mils of hexane, ensuring all the oil and grease from the sides of the funnel have been removed. You're going to then need to turn the stopcock back to the collection side of the extraction head, allowing that hexane to pass through the extraction disc, through the drying cartridge, and into the collection flask. Remove the collection flask and evaporate at a temperature of 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Do not boil and do not evaporate to absolute dryness. Sweep the collection flask with a vacuum tube to evaporate any fumes and hexane. You're going to desiccate at room temperature and then reweigh the collection flask to obtain a final weight. The StepSaver requires less solvents and less time than the traditional liquid-liquid technique and produces no emulsions. With less dependency on the analyst, the StepSaver efficiently produces reliable results. The StepSaver manifolds are available in PVC or stainless steel and are available in several different position configurations, making them completely customizable for your lab's needs. The StepSaver utilizes glass reservoirs or disposable funnels, and the Environmental Express Ultraflow Extraction Disc is sold separately or as a complete filter funnel. Environmental Express is your source for standards, available in bottles or Teflon tubes, known as the snip and pour. To complete the process, the Quick Vap is used to evaporate your samples with the existing collection flask from the StepSaver or aluminum pans. Thank you for joining us for Environmental Express Tech Tips. My name is Allison, and I appreciate the opportunity to earn your business.